Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this whole shelf set here, and I'm going to assemble it now, and then we will show it set up into the bathroom wall. But let's show you guys what it all comes with and how it is to configure and put together. Styrofoam is my enemy, but here we go. So, oh, it looks like it's all kind of put together already. So we just need to kind of probably put it on the wall. So it's got all these different shelves and racks and stuff. It looks really nice. Let's see. Pull off the bubble wrap here. Boy, bubble wrap's not so bad. Okay, so like this. So if you have it on the wall, you can have some things on there that won't fall off, you know. So you got this type of shelf. It looks like there's two of these same shelves here. So I won't show you that one. Let's see what else we got here. And then we have this one here, another one, and another one. So we got 4 of these shelves. And then we have a couple of these racks here to hang under it. So I guess that's how it works. So you'll have the shelf, and then you have these that will hang down from it. So you can have the shelf and then a little basket under it. But I'm going to go hang these up, and I'll show you guys what they look like on the wall. Okay, so here we go. I got 2. I hooked up the 2 so far that I've got configured. So this one here had the little rack under it. And all I had to do was screw in a couple of holes to get it to be in there. So it's good. So you can put all your shampoos and things like that above there. On this side here, you can hang a little towel from it and put things up there too. I have it over my bathtub currently, but I think I might put a couple of them over here with the other ones or something. I'm not sure, but they look great. I mean, they totally do. You can kind of see how it looks here. Sorry, my room isn't super light. There's another light here, but yeah, I don't have a whole lot of lighting in here, but you get the idea. The shelves look great, and it's just in my bathroom. It looks awesome. Thumbs up.